Hey everyone, and welcome to our latest video where we will be comparing the HyperX DuoCast and the Maono USB XLR podcasting dynamic microphone. We will be splitting our screen into two halves, displaying the photo of each product in each half, and comparing them in different categories. But before we start, please remember to like this video, comment on your favorite microphone, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting tech reviews. Both microphones offer high-quality sound with their cardioid capsule. However, the HyperX DuoCast has high-res 24-bit 96 kHz recording capabilities that provide better accuracy and low-noise recording. On the other hand, the Maono HD 300T dynamic microphone has been specifically tuned for vocal recording to produce clean and warm sound. Both microphones are excellent for streaming and podcasting purposes. Both microphones are feature-packed and have similar functionalities such as the tap-to-mute sensor, gain control adjustment knob, and onboard volume control button. However, the HyperX DuoCast can switch between two polar patterns, cardioid and omnidirectional, with just a single button, while the Maono HD 300T microphone has a USB and XLR dual connection for easy device switching. Furthermore, the HD 300T has a real-time monitoring function that is missing in the DuoCast. Both microphones have a durable metal construction that enhances their stability. However, the HyperX DuoCast has a sleek, minimalist design with a low-profile shock mount to reduce the pickup of unwanted rumble and vibrations. The DuoCast also has two customizable RGB light zones with easy-to-use HyperX Ingenuity software. The Maono HD 300T microphone, on the other hand, has a heavy round base with a height-adjustable metal tube, shock mount, and pop filter to minimize pops. The HyperX DuoCast retails for $29, while the Maono HD 300T microphone has a price tag of $64. It's important to note that both microphones provide excellent sound quality, but the DuoCast is more affordable if you are on a budget. That's a wrap for our comparison between the HyperX DuoCast and the Maono HD 300T microphone. Both have their own unique features and are excellent microphones for streaming and podcasting purposes. If you're on a budget, the HyperX DuoCast would be a great option, while the Maono HD 300T microphone is perfect for professional use. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and let us know in the comments which microphone you prefer. Thank you for watching.